Are you tired of tossing and turning in bed, struggling to fall asleep? Do you wish you could fall asleep quickly and wake up feeling refreshed and energized? In this video, we will provide you with the ultimate guide to falling asleep in just 5 minutes. In the first part of the video, we will explain why it's important to get a good night's sleep and how it affects your health and well-being. Then, we will dive into the main topic of the video, how to fall asleep in just 5 minutes. We will provide you with a step-by-step guide that includes breathing techniques, relaxation exercises, and other proven methods. Our tips are based on the latest scientific research and have been tested by thousands of people worldwide. We guarantee that by the end of this video, you will be able to fall asleep quickly and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to fall asleep in 5 minutes. Create a relaxing environment. Make sure your bedroom is quiet, dark, and cool. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to block out any distracting sounds or light. Practice relaxation techniques. Techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or visualization can help calm your mind and body. Focus on relaxing each part of your body, starting from your toes up to your head. Avoid stimulating activities. Avoid doing anything stimulating before bedtime, such as working, exercising, or watching TV. Instead, do something calming like reading a book or taking a warm bath. Limit screen time. Exposure to the blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Avoid using electronic devices, including your phone, tablet, or computer, at least an hour before bedtime. Follow a sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and can make it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Use the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This technique involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding your breath for 7 seconds, and exhaling for 8 seconds. Repeat this pattern several times, focusing on your breath and relaxing your body with each exhale. Try progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and release each muscle group in your body, one at a time, starting from your toes and working your way up to your head. This technique can help release tension and promote relaxation. Don't force it. If you can't fall asleep after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, get out of bed and do something relaxing until you feel sleepy again. This can help prevent frustration and anxiety, which can make it even harder to fall asleep. By following these tips, you can create a relaxing environment and calm your mind and body, helping you fall asleep quickly and easily. Remember that good sleep habits are key to a healthy lifestyle, so prioritize sleep and give your body the rest it needs to function at its best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you.